The sun was bright, the house was warming up through the night. I walked to the wall to check the screen, but the Nest thermostat was a dark void, serene. No display, no numbers, just a blank black glare. A dead low voltage line cutting off the air. Oh, the system went down, the power was dead. A summer nightmare hanging over my head. Traced the wires, checked the board, looking for a sign, but the secret was waiting in the PVC line. I called out the tech, said help me out please, but the system had been resting